Hey my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. As always, today's video I am doing a mini home decor haul. Why? Because we just moved into our new place and I am super excited to officially start decorating. We've been unpacking and unpacking, still unpacking, but for the most part we're finished and I'm just ready to start decorating. And I scored some really great deals on some home decor items that I'm super excited to share with you today, so make sure you stay tuned. So the first item I'm going to show you comes from Timor, and unfortunately they are closing this week, but I scored this super cute little like farmhouse white house. It's really cute. And it actually has a part where you can open the door and you can put like a candle or whatever you would like in here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in there. Maybe we'll put candles in there. And then I thought this was really cute, and this was only $4. They're having 70 to 90% off the items their final week. So yes, this definitely was a great buy. This was actually from their Christmas collection, so I'm excited to see that it was marked down, and definitely a great price for me. The next item I'm going to show you I was super excited about because it reminds me of my hunter boots. I love this boot vase. I don't know if you can really see, but it's really cute, and on the front it says welcome. Yeah, definitely really cute. Has like a little buckle on the side. So I'm really excited about that. I'm going to put some greenery on the inside. I'm going to show you how it'll look. So stay tuned for that. So really excited about this. Okay, so here's some greenery that I picked up from Timor as well. I think it was 30 or 40 cents each little bunch, which was definitely a really great deal. And of course I'm going to fix it up later, but this is like some of like the idea that I'm going to do with this, like the greenery inside of it. I thought that would be like really cute. Yeah, I really thought this was really cute, so I'm definitely going to put this probably in my like the entryway. So yeah, I'll show you guys that project once it's finished. So I should be finished with that entryway project next week. So yeah, I love this boot. I picked up some more greenery from Timor. Yeah, they only had like this stem left, but I thought this was really pretty. It has like a little bit of like the white on there. I don't know if you can really see. But yeah, I thought this was really pretty. I wish they had more, but they only had the one white stem. I folded it in half so that it could fit in a vase. But yeah, this was only 50 cents, so I wish they had more. Maybe I'll try to go to another Timor. There's one not too far from me. Maybe they'll have some more, but it's the last week, so I can't expect to find too much. The next item is from my favorite store, and you guys already know what that is. Dollar Tree. I wanted a cute little mat for when people walk in. Nothing too big because we have one that's outside, but just something that you can step on before you step on our flooring. And I found this at Dollar Tree. It says our nest. I don't know if you can read it. It's definitely a cute size. As you can see, it's like pretty faded out. So what I did was picked up some chalk paint from Hobby Lobby. I have acrylic paint too, so I'm going to just go over it so that it pops a little more. But other than that, it's really cute. It goes with my theme. It's really like a rustic feel. and it was only $1, so you can't go wrong with that. Nope, you can't go wrong. Next, I want to show you 2 items that I purchased from Marshalls. I love when Marshalls mark their items down into the clearance section because they really mark them down. I purchased this cute picture frame. It says love. It's a heart. It's really cute. And you're like, where does the picture go? You actually lift this part and you slide your picture on the inside, and like you just snap it back into place and the picture stays. So I thought this was cute, and this was only $2, so I thought that was really cute and affordable, and it'll really look nice in the living room. So yeah. So next from Marshalls, I picked up these jars. If you know me, you know I love jars, and I've been buying them up for my new place. I thought this was really cute. It's black and white, and I got this for our kitchen. I actually picked up 2 of these. They were on clearance for $5 each. On the inside of these, I have my K-cups for coffee, and the other one I have my husband's K-cups because we drink 2 different coffees. And I thought this was really cute, and it looks like it was way more than $5, so I actually love these. I really do. And my last stop for the day was at my favorite store. Well, my other favorite store, because I have so many, but I love Hobby Lobby for home decor items, for arts and crafts. It's like my one-stop shop. So I picked up this cute, it's plain, but it definitely goes with my theme, coat hooks. I thought this was cute. It's unfinished. It's natural wood. So I have chalk paint. So I was thinking about painting it maybe white or a little darker gray, or staining it. I'm not sure what I really want to do with it, but it was only $4.50. So I thought that was really cute. Really, really cute. And it has 6 pegs on there. So it'll definitely hold quite a few items. I'm thinking like umbrellas and just a few other things besides coats. So, and this is going on my entry wall. And these last 2 items that I picked up from Hobby Lobby go hand in hand for this particular project I'm doing. I picked up this natural wood frame. It's pretty thick. It's like a really good frame. And this was only $2.59. So I thought this would be cute horizontal with this wreath that I picked up. And this was for $5. So I thought this was really cute. It was only $5, and I was thinking of putting it together like this, hanging it, having my rope, maybe hanging it a little more, I'm not sure, or putting it right in the middle. So this is definitely gonna go probably in the entry, on the entry wall as well. It's like a farmhouse gallery entry wall, so I'm really excited about that. And this was, like I said, only $5. So most of the items that I purchased today was like $5 and under. I did get a couple of the items earlier, but most of the items that I did purchase for my home decor were all like under $10. So I love getting deals because I like to show people it does not cost a lot to make a difference in your home or in your closet. So that's why this channel is definitely geared to like deals and DIYs and all of that. So I'm super excited for all the home decor items that I purchased, and I'm super excited to put it all together in our home. So please like, share, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in my next video because I have so much coming up. All right, bye.